In front of me is Vivo Y16 and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar right away. Then type in iOS Launcher. After that, get this app from this developer and when it's ready, tap on Open. Now select Allow and allow while using in the pop-ups. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Finally, go into Settings. In them, scroll down, choose Apps section and click on Default Apps. Then choose Home app, tap on iOS Launcher and select Got It in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Vivo. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on System Home Screen or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!